Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner Machine, 640 milliliters, 48 kHz, 40W, portable professional sonic cleaner machine for eyeglasses, ring, earring, necklaces, watch strap, makeup brush. The Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner Portable Professional Ultrasonic Machine is a versatile cleaning device designed for jewelry, watches, eyeglasses, coins, and other small items. Here are the key points about this product. Benefits. Effective cleaning. The ultrasonic cleaner uses a 45,000 Hz frequency to gently and deeply clean jewelry gaps, surfaces, and stains without scratching. Stainless steel tank. Equipped with a corrosion-resistant SUS 304 stainless steel tank. Easy operation. One-button operation with automatic cleaning for 3 minutes. Low noise. Operates quietly. Portable and lightweight. Small, light, and easy to carry. Large capacity. Holds 16 ounces of liquid. Quality assurance backed by a quality guarantee and responsive customer service. Drawbacks. Not suitable for all materials. Avoid using it on pearls, semi-precious stones, and non-waterproof artificial jewelry. Not industrial grade, designed for home use, not heavy-duty industrial applications. Overall, the ultrasonic jewelry cleaner offers efficient cleaning, portability, and convenience. At a price of $35.99, it's a practical addition to your cleaning routine.